David,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yes, my
I
prince.
need you to get me a cold bottle of Tim Soda.
Tim soda.
Yes.
My prince, I think there are more Tim
And you
soda.
think I didn't check before asking you to buy it? But will you take this money now and buy me Tim Soda?
So let me go and get the car keys.
Wonder shall never end. You want to ride in the royal car to buy ordinary Tim Soda? I see you've lost some screws upstairs. What are you still doing there?
Okay.
My friend, go and get me Tim Soda.
Guys, Bruno.
Good afternoon, my prince.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please just stick around. He'll be back soon.
No, my prince, I'm already on.
I insist.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.